Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I'm SAEED. In this episode, we shall discuss and guide you again how to prepare for one of the most expected and important interview questions. And for more questions of job interview, keep on watching our upcoming videos. Remember that by preparing answers in advance for these common questions of interview, you can develop compelling talking points to create your great impression during your next job interview. Today's question is how you handle stresses. How you handle stress or how you handle stresses. Before moving further, I shall strongly advise you that in order to grasp a better understanding of this video, to watch our earlier videos of job interview guide series, episode 1 to 8 in English and episode 1 to 6 in Urdu. The importance of this question in case that you have already been in a position to satisfy the interview in other questions, but you have not been able to satisfy the interview as to how you handle the stress and the stressful situation, you can better understand the importance of this question. How you handle stresses. And remember, stresses are considered a normal routine and usually part of every job. And it is very, very important how he or she performing that job are trained enough to face and handle the job stresses. Remember, performance in stress situation is incredibly significant from employer point of view. It is important that your answer to this question demonstrate your personal growth, and how you are tactful to handle stressful situation is an indicator of your ability to solve problems. Employer would be keen to hire a candidate who reacts to the stresses constructively. Spend some time and think how you approach to the stress with example that communicates your ability to persist in stressful situation and provide short answer, be clear and precise. Let me share my experience of interview candidates and their different responses to this question. I have learned enough and I am able to stay calm, specifically under stresses. I always start by asking myself, what is the ultimate goal I am trying to achieve? Tensions are not going to solve the problem. From there, I make a list of immediate and long-term action items and achievables. Instead of taking undue tension or stresses, I know I have to plan the job and I have to make it happen. And I believe alternate and options of doing a job are available around us. Only thing is that we have not to lose ourselves or tempers. Instead, keep focusing on our target patiently. I believe on my abilities and trust my God, so everything goes good. I have learned that taking tension onto yourself is not a solution. Rather, itself a problem. So breathe normally and smile and take the challenge professionally and with positive approach. You can choose whatever is relevant and suitable as per your nature, style and skill. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, it is important that the interviewer has given you a chance to speak about yourself. It depends as to how you respond and present your case, whether you talk about your weakness or about your strength. I shall recommend to evaluate yourself honestly and see what is relevant here, and whatever you pick up as your suitable answer, edge it well, sum it well, and speak it out very, very well. So confidently and in such a manner that one has got no choice except to believe on whatever you are claiming as your biggest strength.